So Bulgaria has thousands of years of history, stunning churches, forgotten monasteries, ancient landmarks that most people have never seen before. Weider360 spent the last months capturing them from the air and turning them into detailed 3D models. Today, we are launching Bulgaria3D.com, an interactive atlas where you can explore them all pinned on a map in full 3D. Some of these sites are famous, others I bet that you've never heard or seen them before. And we have mapped 30 plus sites until this date. We will obviously continue to add new objects to the map, but if you already have captured 3D models of Bulgarian heritage sites or know someone who has, let's talk. We love to put them on the map. Bulgaria3D.com, link in the comments. Thank you guys and see you.